Hey everyone, Justin here from Wagan Tech. Today we're going to do a tabletop or grass top review or quick little overview of the brand new Flexxlite and the compact lantern. I just want to show you guys how cool these things are. This is our new compact lantern. Solar panel on the top, has a folding carabiner style clip hook. It's really awesome. It folds down flat. It's got a 1/4 20 threaded for tripod. I think the neatest thing about this is it acts as a power bank and it's rechargeable through USB-C, which is awesome. So this thing's a power bank and a flashlight. My favorite feature of this light though has got to be that it does orange lighting. Sorry for the blinking there. And it's actually dimmable. So you press and hold the light and it'll dim down. Oh, it doesn't flash as much here. It also has a white light, and they can be used concurrently too. So you can get the white light, you can get the orange light, or the white and orange light going. So I know it's really hard to see right here. It's a really cool lantern here. Really small, and the price point is excellent on this thing as well. As for the Flexxlite, what makes this one different than any other neck light you see on the market is the cool Wagan logos. No, I'm just kidding. The neat part about this is, again, price point, it's super inexpensive, but this thing has magnetic heads on there. So you can actually take these off, stick these on magnetic or metal surfaces like your car, your toolbox or whatever, put it back in here. Sorry, I'm having a hard time lining this up on camera, but you put it back in there and you can use this as a neck light. You can wrap this around stuff like tree limbs, your tripod here. This thing has a front light, which is 2 modes, high and low. And then it also has a side lantern, which has 3 different color temperatures. There's more of the yellow one, there's a yellow and white, and then a straight white one as well. And like I said, this is a super versatile and really handy light to have. So yeah, if you want, check them out. They're on our website right now. They're actually on sale for the rest of this week, I believe. So you should probably pick them up while you can. And thank you guys very much for watching, and thanks for following us at Wagan Tech as well. We really appreciate you guys.